Today we are starting a new series where we buy stuff from eBay that we think might be fake, but might be real. Today we're doing a Megalodon tooth, and we're going to see if we can prove whether or not it's fake or real.
The preliminary lick test says you got had.
I bought this Megalodon tooth on eBay for about I think it was $88. And in their description, they had a kind of a guide to help you follow so you can pick out fake ones, which makes me think that it is real. But
if I was selling a fake one, I would have a guide on how to make sure
you think this fake one is real.
Mm-hmm. Here's why this fake one's real.
And their guide was using weight. They said a resin cast one would weigh like 3 to 5 ounces, and that these real stone ones are 6 to 8 ounces. But what would be stopping them from just making their resin cast heavier?
Probably nothing. That's a pretty easy thing to fake. It seems like. Is that the only thing it said in the guide?
Yeah, that's the only way to tell.
Okay.
The other red flag is it shipped with like this green, it's like a glossy nail polish almost on it, which is not what the picture looked like.
These little like holes all over it, I'm thinking is like the air in the cast.
It's like air pockets, like they didn't vacuum it or something.
Yeah, I mean, that looks like it came out of a mold to me.
And when I asked them about this green stuff, they just said something along the lines of, we got a batch in that had an issue with that. We'll send you a new one for free.
Of course, yeah, real Megalodon tooths are just sending out to everyone. It's totally real, Dan.
We're gonna go for ounces, and the target is like 6 to 8, so they say.
Oh, wow, that's real.
They put too much lead in this one, so 9.2. So it passes their guide, but can we really trust it if it's their guide?
Yep.
Looking at this, we were trying to find like some mold lines where the mold could have broken apart, and it looks like you kind of see a line going through there.
What was it, this one over here?
Yeah, that right there looks like it could be a mold line. But now we're going to take some acetone, see if we can get this green stuff off. Maybe that'll reveal a little bit more about this. Looks like it's kind of coming off, doesn't it?
This hasn't
It's hard
really
to tell in that
changed
rag.
colors.
It's not dissolving it, so it's not made out of styrofoam, so that's a good sign, right?
Yeah, I mean, I never thought it was styrofoam, so.
Next step, we're gonna cut it up there and then right up the center. And hopefully, if it is real, we'll be able to see some layers of the tooth structure, maybe. I don't know how fossils work though.
Or how teeth work.
Yeah. We cut through that pretty easy. That doesn't seem like solid fossilized stone to me. Oh no.
Does that?
That is cement. Is that cement or is that plastic resin?
It feels more rocky. He has a pretty good mold.
That does look pretty convincing.
But those little holes is what did it for me. Like, I didn't feel like those would be in a fossil.
That is definitely not what a fossil would look like on the inside. If it's plastic, we should get some good melting. There's nothing on that.
No, it's not soft at all.
Yeah, it's like a soft, it's kind of like a lightweight cement. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's that. Looks like I got duped on eBay, so I think it's time to go try and get my money back.
You want me to throw some clay at the wall and make you feel better?
Yes, please.
Hey, do I need a new target, Dan?
Well, there's not much on that wall.
Well, I'm aiming for right where this hits, okay?
Okay.
There.
You hit it. You hit it dead on.